Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. You're watching Spud Boys TV, and yes, behind me is Marrakech. Well, I'm in Marrakech. Today, we're doing an excursion which we paid about £13 each for to the Ouzoud Falls. It's like a massive stuff. It's the tallest waterfall in North Africa. So we're going to do an excursion. We're going to get out of the city. We're going to see some mountains, hopefully see some monkeys. Who's we? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am with the man, the myth, the most legendary.
You said Aaron was legendary yesterday, and I was just the man.
Today you're legendary.
What's going on, everyone?
Don't spoil my intro. I am with the beast, the muscly, the most strongest person of the group.
Hashtag baby.
Juicy pixel, baby! Yeah, so we are currently waiting. It is 7:20 or something. I don't know. I've got to leave it on. We've gone with... Yeah, it was actually really, really cheap. But hopefully they're going to give us a shout. And we're going to have an amazing adventure. So sit back, relax, because... I don't know, is it too loud?
Yeah.
We're going on an adventure! Here we go.
Yeah, those close it.
Try close that, or does it? I think it's electric. My wallet don't fall out of my pocket, that's up. And my phone, oh god. Oh god. It's not too bad. I'm allowed to open the window. Yeah.
Dinner.
2 hours later. Thumbnail. What do you think of my Tony Stark glasses? Do I want to take them off? Everything looks so different. Oh. Grape. Oh. Lee. Hey, mommy. Grego. I keep on saying, I'm sure we woke by here yesterday, but everything just looks the same. We probably didn't. But it's mad how like the whole wall goes around the whole thing. Ooh.
So when we arrive there, we will meet the guide, and you will do the tour with the guide for like 2 hours or 2 hours and a half to visit the area and the tourist places. And also there is like the Berber tent and like the boat if you want to use it. After the tour, we'll have lunch there. After lunch, we come back to Marrakech, inshallah, of course, we'll do one course, okay? So please, for any question, marhaba, no problem.
Mahaba. Mahaba. Yeah, mate. Man, I love all this. This is where I'd love to just explore and wander around. And... Hiya, mate. It's the Marrakech jungle. Can you imagine what beasts look? Oh, that looks amazing. Can you imagine what kind of snakes and spiders? There's a keyboard one over there. Wow.
Close to we've come to a mountain, though. Oh, yeah. That's a bit of a relief prize, isn't it? Cannabis. Twisted over there.
What are they building here? There you go. How was that, bro? What a cool seeing all the jungle, all the desert and everything. You were asleep on you. Yeah, so we've come to our first stop. Let me get a drink. I need a drink. This is going to be expensive. What do you want to drink? I need to get a water, and I also want to get chocolate in the fridge. Ice creams? Oh, like a feast. Oh, no, it's mad, isn't it? I'm gonna get ice cream. How long were you here for, do you know?
15 minutes.
Alright,
15 minutes,
ice cream,
mate.
do you reckon?
It only takes Mike about 10 seconds to eat an ice cream, so yeah.
So just at the pit stop now, and guess what I just found in the toilet? A spider! He doesn't look very dangerous. Oh god, he's moving! Oh, look at that. Turn to the camera, look. He's the most venomous spider in all of North Africa, huh? We'll have a little wander around. Little park. What's this? I think this is a tagine, look. How they cook the tagines. It was really funny, someone did recognise me. They're like, Spud Boys! I was like, oh, wicked. I was like, oh, wicked, man. He goes, yeah, you got a shop in London, haven't you? I was like, mate, no, you're thinking of Spud Bros, not Spud Boys. kinda counts. Hey. Yes, we've been upgraded to first class. See the road, look. Much better view. Hopefully it's going to be this video.
Inshallah.
Oh, that's crazy. It's awesome. The crazy thing is though, I kind of want to walk. So far I can walk. Oh, it's like a mirage. Look, see the reflection? Yeah, it looks like water.
I can see ladyboys.
Oh, where's the ladyboy? Don't do that to me, Scott. So there's like we've noticed like loads of shiny stuff, and we're like, oh, smashed glass. We're like, why would they put smashed glass along the whole side of the road? I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but like along the whole side, you can see all the glimmer. See, it's all like glimmery of smashed glass. So Scott, why?
Well, stop trespassers going in.
Yeah, so they basically smash glass over the land to stop like trespassers. It's mad, isn't it? They wouldn't be like that in the UK. You get zoomed.
Yeah.
So which ones are the olive trees? So all these factories are doing olives though. Oh, so they're the olive trees, aren't they? All these are olive trees though. Oh, I don't care. They're literally everywhere. It's like one of the main sources of financial income for Morocco. There's all the olive trade. So we've stopped, our guide's here.
Conversation.
Awesome little town up here, mind. Beautiful little town. So we've met our guide. Just take. I don't know where he's taking us. We're going on another bus or something.
No, it's a bit of a walk now, I think.
What is it?
To get where we're going.
It's hot, mind, isn't it, to be walking around for 3 hours. I might die.
You ain't got water in either.
I got water in my bag, you cheeky bastard.
I thought you was gonna go dry.
No, I just didn't want to buy it last night when you two were like, "You're gonna get water." So with these glasses on, everything looks. When I take them off, everything looks so different. I could show you. That's what it looks like with the glasses on. That's what it looks like with it off. And I'm mad. These are wicked though. I think they're wicked. What do you think? Do I look cool? Let me know in the comments. Amanda said I look like Tony Stark. Wish I had Tony Stark's money. Yeah, I don't know what's going on now. Apparently we've got to walk for 3 hours. It's hot, man. It's like 30 degrees. How hot is it? Do you know? It's hot, isn't it?
It's only 41 degrees. It's not that hot.
Is it really 41?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
It's 24 degrees, mate. If it was 41, you'd be on the floor.
Alright.
This morning, I asked him if he was going to get some water. He said, "No, he's going to dry ball it and just go all day with it." And I'm sure I've seen some in your bag just now.
Oh, you've had a little chat, have you? Aaron, you just said that. I didn't say that at all. I said I'm not going to get water. Why are you slagging me off for you to be on my back?
I'm going to drink that fucking water. If Aaron don't tell you, I will.
I didn't say I was going to go dry on. Fucking.
Said he was a different species.
Yeah, you did.
I'm a different species to you
So
guys.
that was
You're fucking
smart.
half asleep.
Yeah, you're a half bro.
Fucking done this before.
You haven't been here, have you? 3 times.
3 fucking pounds.
So he did say to us, he said we're going to go to the waterfalls now, so that we're at the top, we can take pictures, and then we're going to go see some monkeys. Yeah?
He
He
said,
said don't touch them.
"Don't touch the monkeys," but I think Mike will touch them.
I do want to just do a look.
Didn't the monkey scream yes?
Yeah, well, one of the monkeys was on the back of the guys, and then it tried grabbing me like.
Try grabbing his nipple, yes it is.
That's why the kids are selling little bags of nuts. I think.
Oh, so you
Oh,
can
it
give them
makes
to the
sense
monkey.
now, doesn't it?
Yeah, they also sell like handkerchiefs.
Do you reckon
or
they'll
something.
have bags up there then?
Well, where you all from?
Oh well, I was gonna ask you the same thing.
Do you mind being on camera?
Yeah, I can do.
What's your name?
I'm Dan.
That's
I'm
easy,
from
Dan.
Birmingham.
Are you from Birmingham?
We live in Birmingham. We all live in Birmingham.
Oh, right.
Yeah. And
Wicked.
so,
Well, we're Wales, we are.
oh, Wales.
Yeah, Newport in Wales. In the UK.
So it's not far from Birmingham then, isn't it? About a 2-hour drive.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, you're now on my YouTube channel, everyone.
Please like and subscribe.
Wait, can I follow you actually?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
You're going to be on it. What's your name?
Adlin.
Nice to meet you. Adley?
Adlin.
Adley.
Nice to meet you.
Adley.
Wait, let
And
me
your name?
follow you.
Nice to meet you, Jack.
We'll give you a subscribe.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah. Wait, what's your channel called?
Spud Boys.
Spud
There
Boys.
you go.
Oh, that's cute. So do you do? I mean, I love Spud. So.
No, I don't do that. No.
You don't do that.
No, I'm more
Spud
of like
man.
it's more Spud man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like your friend stopped me earlier on. He was like, "Oh, I've seen your channel. You know, you do the spuds in London." I'm like, "No, that's not me."
It's okay. We love a little icebreaker anyways.
If you doing YouTube?
Well, I just do it for myself.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so not really like.
You should do a YouTube, man. It's
I'm
wicked.
trying.
Yeah, you make loads of friends and
I
stuff.
just.
Oh, sorry, I'm being summoned away.
Oh, okay, bye-bye.
Sorry, mate.
sorry. Do you know, I haven't seen the waterfall yet. Oh wow, look at that! That's amazing, isn't it? Should we get a thumbnail? Oh, it'd be better down here with a thumbnail. Wow. Like a million people come out of nowhere. I'm fearing these steps now because they look like it's going to be like 1,000 steps.
1,000 steps.
And this is a lift. This is start. Oh look. Oh wow. Do you reckon there's any fish in here, huh? No?
Tadpole. Unless they're super trout.
Oh, there are fish in there, look. Well, there's something in there swimming. Oh, God. It's quite steep, that. Oh! Almost.
I almost went as well. I almost went as well.
Go. Going against the rules. He's gonna go nuts now, the guide. Hey! No! We go over here! Oh. Oh wow, look at this. That's awesome. Trying to get a better view done, yeah? Where are the boys? I'm in everyone's way. Thumbnail! Maybe. Look at all these guys now trying to sell us peanuts for the monkeys. I think Scott bought some, didn't he? Where's Scott? There he is. Oh wow, fucking hell. There's one right there.
Take your peanuts and
You just take it off.
Hey, mate.
Yeah, Mike.
I don't want you to jump on me.
No, I don't
Not
want
jump there, not jump.
I'm just going to pass it to him.
Just like this.
It's alright, but I'll do it.
Just like this. Not jump, just to turn around next to the monkey or picture.
I'm okay, mate. He's got it on video.
Okay, take your time, bro.
Oh, yeah, it already, did he?
Yeah,
That's
for
good.
you.
No, I'm okay.
Take it.
Thank you, mate.
Give him like this. He's got his own net.
No biscuit, no biscuit.
No, we got his own. We got our own.
Shoulder.
No.
Looks like a little human.
Don't
doesn't
worry, don't worry. Brother,
I do not want to touch the monkey, mate. You like him so much, don't you?
I'm alright, brother. I got nothing to give you, mate. So
My mate's gone there.
brother.
We don't need.
I'm okay, I'm okay, thank you, buddy. Thanks, mate. Oh, there's loads of them. Wow. Millions. Oh, there's another monkey down here. With people. Thing is,
they try and get. I bought
thing
some
is,
nuts off a little
if you
kid.
take a walnut, if you take a nut, they're going
Yes,
to say,
they
give
want
me money.
That's what I just said. I got nothing on me to give it.
Yeah. And look, they're all crowd. Aaron, there's another one down there, mate. Better one down here. Oh, wow. That, do you know, I've never been that close to a monkey before. I kind of want to touch it. I am, actually. This one here, I'm going to touch
You
it.
touched my hand just now, the monkey, to give me his little five.
I'm going to touch this. Have you got any nuts left?
I haven't, bro.
No,
I literally gave the
That's
guy
alright.
the little kid
That's
to dirham.
That's alright, brother. That's alright. Hello, mate. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Giving you the browse.
Don't like me. I was going to call it like a dog, like. We can get the camera closer to the monkey. Go on. He was looking at you there, not me. He was going to go for you.
I'm his type, that's right.
Sorry. Hey, mate. Hello, mate. That's awesome, isn't it? No, he hasn't.
Only had three.
Oh, it's a baby one. Hi, mate. Hello. Get in the camera, I think. Hello. This is the olives. We're going for the olive thing. Olive trees. I wonder how many people they have. They scam.
I think as soon as they encourage a monkey on you, they got dibs on your photo.
Yeah, and money.
Yeah.
They're probably. I wonder if anyone actually did it.
Everybody has olive here. Rich people and poor people. So when you see the red color, for example, for 2 trees, Two means one family. Color other family. Everyone is make one color different for others.
So each family takes care of their own tree.
Exactly.
Oh,
And then we take olives in November, not now.
that's interesting. So each family has their own olive tree.
Oh, you have to climb.
Yeah. And ladies will take
Hey mate, stop me. Are you in on the scam as well? Looks like you got makeup on that one.
Yes.
There you are. That's crazy. Look at her. Hey mate. What's your name? You're a weird looking dog, ain't you, mate? Shall I try and touch it? Hello? 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 Oh. They bite though, don't they? Isn't that how you get monkeypox?
I think he sees you as the silverback gorilla, bro.
Big gorilla boy. This is awesome. This is just being out in like the wilderness. Took about 2.5 hours to get here. And as you've seen from some of the shots, it's amazing. I don't like the scams though. The thing is, like they're so friendly. Like, oh, I take one. So if you took one, they would be all over you. Go, give me money, give me money. But it's not like give me 1 dirham. They're probably like give me 10 euro and stuff. You know. And to the weak person, they would crumble. But not to this man, who have survived. The ladyboys of Bangkok. I have survived. The Cologne with Aaron and Scott. Benny boy. The broken door of the Alley Hotel. Yeah, that door broke. Oh, she's doing a washing, look. There's a girl doing a washing in the stream, look. It's cool, isn't it? It's like a natural spring. Oh, look here. Someone's literally, look at this. Someone's come here and drawn on you.
That was Aaron.
Was that you?
It was
years
Aaron.
ago.
No, because he just told me that he's been here 6 times.
What did you say?
It needs a spud by ticket. That's the guy.
I brought with me in the thing.
Did you bring a spud by
No, I
ticket?
left in the hotel.
Have a go with that.
Why have you got a camera on?
No, man, they're going to want money off me.
Do it when you're not here.
Spin it.
I'll do it for you. Go.
So they demand money off me, I'm all pissed off. Do it. Oh, so they grind it like that? Oh, it looks horrible. It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like oil, doesn't it?
Like that? Oh, it sounds horrible.
Quick, she's coming back. She's coming back, quick, run.
At least you know now what it sounds like and feels like.
Yes. Sounds worse than that.
Whiskey is nice.
Right, so this is mint tea. God, I've got bits in it floating around there.
Yeah, maybe.
Go on, bro, do that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
If you die.
Oh, that is nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, wow.
So you're going to be drinking when you go back home, innit?
No.
What's that?
I've got all the bits in it. There's a fly in there.
Yeah, drink it.
Is that a fly?
No, it's protein. It's protein. It's a mint fly.
I'm not drinking a fly. I'm not drinking a fly. That is definitely a fly, isn't it?
Where? Oh, that thing there with the
Yeah, the
wings
fly
open.
with the wings open. Yeah.
It's a clove.
No, it's off. It's a blossom off the tree.
It is. You're all right.
You've been blessed by the golf. And this fella just come back from Thailand.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Do you want it? Horrible. It's nice for a sip, but I can.
I'm going to coin
Means I have to pay for 2 months otherwise.
You just drank the fly. Did something just fall in your drink? Aaron, I hope you wiped. Dirty boy. Oh, did you just fart?
I want like that.
Man, it's nice here, mind, isn't it? It's
I
hot.
don't fart on your vlogs.
It's hot, isn't it?
It's not bad.
But it's nice and
It is,
cool as
yeah.
well in the shade and stuff.
Do you think this is a place where you can bring kids?
Here?
Kids that
Yeah, but
enjoy
like,
open.
yeah, but you're not that man going, oh, you are giving Logan a walnut. Logan to take it.
You take it, yeah.
Same with your boys. And then in your head, okay, it'd be cool for my kids to feed the monkeys. But then they're like, oh, €10. €10. And you're like, I'm not paying, but you don't really want to course because if 5 or 6 of them get in your face, it's not good, is it?
They ate the 5 and then the 6th one run off.
I'll just
Come
give
back with loads of monkeys.
I'll just give him a douche, I would. Have a bit of that! Have a bit of spud boy anger. But I'm fine. I'm okay on my feet.
Taking a piss out of you again.
Who is?
God.
Yeah, we was both calling you.
It's banter.
Calling me.
Calling you a cunt.
No, we wouldn't.
Yeah, okay.
What goes down, Aaron, must come up. Coming up this is going to be a bastard. But I'll give you a warning, lots of heavy breathing and sweaty boys. Yeah, this is not this. I don't think this is any good if you're like, if you're not very good on your feet, like if you're disabled. What is it? A root of something? A tree?
Olive tree.
Oh wow!
Olive tree. No, olive oil.
The olive trees.
Ah,
فايدة من الأسطات تاعي
I don't know. It looks like mud. Oh, look at that down here, it's alright now. You'd be fucked, wouldn't you, if you had a bad ankle? Have you ever seen that on? Have you ever seen Hook? Bangarang! Do you know the fat kid? He puts his legs up and goes down the ramp at the end. That's what I want to do. Not dangerous there.
Funny thing is, these steps are getting higher and higher.
I was saying to Aaron, you ever seen Hook? Do you know at the end it goes bangarang and he puts his legs up and he rolls down the ramp. Be a bit like that, wouldn't it, if I fell?
What about Queen?
I've already said what goes down must come up, so dreading that a little bit. Oh, that snake skin. If you see any spiders, oh yeah, it could have been a caterpillar thing. If you see any spiders, let me know. So I want to see one and vlog it. Vlog a spider.
Stuff like this, I just fly down on a bike.
Cobweb.
You know that?
Oh wow. Look at that, it's nuts, isn't it? It's cool because as you walk down you come across things like this, look.
You put that in, I'm gonna sue you.
Ugh.
But definitely make sure that.
Stormy. A wolf. I made a new friend. Oi. Sit. Get away, vermin. Oh, that looks awesome. You can actually hear the waterfall. Gotta be careful when I'm vlogging because I don't want to slip and kill everybody. That looks awesome. Wow. Very good. Like a cave up there, look. You know. Didn't like that. Wow. Whoa. Look at that. That looks amazing. Whoa. Thumbnail! Thumbnail! Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Oh, I'm not looking forward to walking back up there. Wow. That's awesome, that is. Second biggest in Africa, this is apparently. I think the first one is Victoria Falls. Right there. What do you think of that, Scott? Isn't that cool?
I climbed that the other week, you know.
Oh, right.
Aaron's been here 6 times.
I'm surprised there's not people rock climbing it, unless it's not stable.
Some people probably.
It's recording in 4K, but
Get a screenshot into a photo.
Thumbnail, maybe. Cool. What's that?
Reckon's got the waterfall in the background.
I don't know. Oh man, this is nice here. Nice fresh air. Oh. No, thank you.
What?
Do you want a sucky?
Sucky on the caddy. Anyone want some biddy off of me?
Dinner. Just chilled out.
I thought it was great when you were on my day. You were dancing off your face.
Lush. Cheers, guys. Oh, that Fanta's nice.
You know, Mike, can I just say it while you're recording? Obviously, I was one of the competition winners, so I just want to appreciate it. I'm so glad I entered the raffle.
Unlimited. But there was a spider then.
Come on, Darren.
Dust all over my camera. Oh man, this is just a taste. It's a taste of things to come. Wow. Wow. It's amazing.
Steps of heaven over there.
Oh yeah, look. Oh my god, look at them. They go all the way up, bro. Oh. That's not gonna... I'm not looking forward to that, put it that way. So I'm gonna enjoy down here as much as possible. Stuff like this though, I like taking my time. I don't want to be rushed. As you can see, there's people behind. Oh, they're right.
I feel like I'm in an Indiana Jones movie right here.
It is amazing, isn't it? Wow. Steps are a bit dodgy though. Imagine a rock falling from there, bro.
No, you're dead, but
You're gone. I know, I'd give it a douche. Come near me. Yeah, don't take this trip if you're not very good on your legs. So far I'm okay, but I gotta walk up there yet. Oh, that's gonna be a nightmare. This is our boat. What do we do? Just jump on here, yeah?
Well, we've paid anyway, haven't we?
Yeah, we paid, we have. That guy. Yeah, jump in, yeah. Oh!
Yeah, go.
Oh! Bloody hell!
Hey, you made it!
I made it! It's still like this though!
Okay.
Oh wow, look at that, mate. Oh, this poor driver must be like, oh god. Wow. Delish! Can we go on this bridge? Oh, sweet, you can see shadows of people on the bridge. Oh, it's a see-through one. Oh, no one spits on me. Oh, you don't spit on me, boy. Oh, wow. We actually go quite close to the boat, do we? Oh, that's awesome, that is. So there's a closer look at what the boat's made out of. Just like barrels. I wonder how deep the water is. Oh, he's going for a swim, look. Scott, thumbnail. Thumbnail! Oh, wow! These guys. Oh, that's lush. Oh. That's lush. We're going quite close to it, right? We're gonna go into it. You know we go into it, yeah? Stop.
Yeah.
Ah, mate. What'd she do? What'd she do?
Asked if we was going to go in.
Well, we are very close to it. Oh, that's amazing. Just look up, man. That's amazing. That's awesome, man. That was worth the £8, wasn't it? Only £8 to get you. And this costs an extra £5 for the boat ride. Prepare to board! We're gonna board your ship and steal your treasures. Get the cannons ready. Get the cannon. Fire the cannon. Get the brick ready. Throw the brick. Oh. I'm okay. I don't need that.
Too small anyway, isn't it? I mean, for that to...
Look, you can just sit here, Scott, and we go. Thumbnail! Thumbnail! Whoa, look at that!
Yeah, just send it to me.
Dungeon. Thumbnail! That's amazing, that is, isn't it? Oh, there's another.
It's one of the 7 wonders of the world, it says. And I'm not talking about this, I'm talking about this for you. One of the 7 wonders of Newport, for you.
The only one in Newport. Look at that guy swimming underneath the water. So what did you guys think of that?
Yeah, it was worth it.
That was good, wasn't it?
Worth the £40 we paid. How much was that? £5?
The go on the boat was a £5, yeah, but the whole trip was well.
That was worth it.
Not much at all.
I mean, what we paid, like £14 for so far for
So
the
£14 for everything.
journey here.
Yeah.
And that, yeah.
Anyone wearing skirts? Anybody wearing skirts? I can see your bums. Right, this is going to be fun. I'm getting off. Oh fucking! I just broke the chair. Oh mate, I'm okay. I got it. Thank you.
We're going? Woman's gonna get killed by a boat now. She's gonna get killed by the boat. She's by there. Oh, I filmed it and everything. I was hoping she'd get killed.
For the content.
For content. Content. Wow, this is awesome. This is.
What did you say? Go to the restaurant?
No, he said wait down here and then we go up there.
No, he did say we go over there and wait.
Yeah, he said wait over there, then we go up. Hopefully it's a cable car taking us up. Here we go. Stairway to heaven. So you walk up halfway, then you have your dinner, and then you walk up again. Let's see when I'm recording, I don't even know. Looks like. Right, do your thing, I'll just walk on my own. I'll be okay. I don't want to hold you back, bro.
I'm your carer for this evening.
Look at this. Do they kick, don't they, donkeys?
Right.
Look, I got a bucket. Oh, God. A bucket for his shit.
Go get a spray.
There we go. Nice easy steps.
Little band called steps.
It's not that bad actually. This is hard. My legs are just turned to jelly.
And look where we've come from.
I know.
Actually, we come from the top. You know, all the way down, haven't we?
Oh, he said we stop halfway. It's not halfway. He said that I want a taxi from a donkey. Mr. Show Off. And I take my time with these. This is no easy feat for a 24 stone man. How heavy are you, Aaron?
19.
It's hard, isn't it?
What's harder, this or that cathedral?
Cathedral, because it was constantly going up.
Spiral, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And there's people constantly coming down, so it was something.
Where's the restaurant? He says by here. Oh, you're lying. Easy. You're looking at a man who have conquered the Cologne steps in Germany. I have survived the ladyboys of Bangkok. I have completed the Colosseum in Rome. I have scaled to the top of a mountain in Kusadasi, Turkey, and I have gazed upon France from the top of the Eiffel Tower. This is nothing to me. I'm knackered though. Nothing to this guy. Easy peasy.
Easy work.
How much do you weigh?
16.
That's why I say 16 stone. Pff, easy. Try carrying 29 stone. Not that much.
31.
31 stone.
Nah, you're about what, 22?
That was hard, wasn't it, bro? It was hard.
It's 32 degrees heat.
Yeah. It's a nice breeze up here. Oh, it's lush. Look at the view, though. So we are going to tuck in. They haven't brought a menu over here, but we're going to tuck into something. Hope they got drinks as well.
Yeah, you can get a bottle of water.
Oh, Coke. Need some sugar. I want a bottle of water as well, though. That's my one, Pete. Thank you, mate. Oh, lovely.
I'm gonna fucking fly on the top.
What is that? Date?
Room.
Oh, it looks lush. Oh, there's bones in the beef mind.
Great.
My third one. What do you think of that?
Looks good.
What did you have?
Chicken skewers.
Chicken and chips,
French fries. I had a homemade KFC.
Knock off, flies. So what Scott thinks of it.
What, a potato?
Tell you what, it's a massive discomfort when you got flies trying to eat you when you're eating your dinner.
One of them was as well.
The thing, they give you the bread with the thing to dip into it like that.
My grandmother used to dress like she was in a 1940s bloody movie theatre. She used to have a dog tooth jacket. Just those nice jewellery.
Yeah, the long, nice.
It's very much like stew, but it has like spices in it, with tomatoes. It's amazing. It's really, really nice.
Yeah.
That was banging. They brought over some fruit. Do you want that?
I'm alright.
It's a melon, is it? Grapefruit.
Melon, alright.
Chicken skewers are very nice. Now we got mint tea and lemon. Melon.
Oh, no, good.
Roast salad.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't like it. Tastes like, I don't like it.
Tastes like fruit.
Tastes like fruit. I don't like grapefruit and shit, and melons. And I got some mint tea there. Thank you.
Nice, yeah. Thank you.
It's nice.
I mean, poison me and fucking spat on my food. But I won't debate the water.
It's alright. So all this comes to 120. No, 130, yeah?
120 for mine, 130 for mine, 150 for yours.
Yeah, because I had a cocoa one, which
There'll be some hidden charge somewhere.
I hope not. Okay. Scott, how was your first tagine?
It's not bad, to be honest, but it could have been a lot more meat in it. Because I like meat, you know what I mean? Wink, wink.
What did you think of the potatoes? Were they nice?
Like boiled potatoes. Don't worry about potatoes, look at the view. Everyone give Mike a like for climbing all the way up here. Started up there, come all the way down, all the way around. This man deserves a like.
Hiya, mate. I got a squatting toilet, yeah? Excuse me. Such an amazing view, mind. Look at that. Now I think there's a bit more steps to climb. Wow, it's mad how the form of the rock has been formed. Anyway. I don't know if that guy's left us. He's done his job now. Well, this is much more... It's not as hard, is it? This.
No, we got canopies on it.
Yeah, so it's better than... I think the steps are like loads of short little steps. That's why it hurts so much, but this is alright. It's nice and steady. We're going at our own pace. Taking our time. But yeah, if you are liking this vlog, please support the channel. Give her a little like. Give her a little comment as well, that'd be awesome. Oh wow. I would be very appreciative for your support. Oh man. We're in the shortcut. No more now. Hopefully it's nice and steady. Because yeah. I'm knackered now, how are you?
I'm alright.
Gonna go back to the hotel. I'm gonna chill. And then we're gonna go back out and make another vlog. Oh man, it's never ending. But I'm hoping you're enjoying this series. This was an awesome vlog. I did mess up. I did record some of it in slow motion, so hopefully I fixed that in the editing. But yeah, guys. Wow, this is what £8 gets you. We had to pay for food. The food, mine was 150, which is roughly around 13 quid. Because I had a can of Coke. Ooh.
Cinematic Mike.
You got a fly in your hair. Sweet. He's got a fly in his hair. That's gone. Looks awesome. It's like a completely different view. Look at that. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the end of this little adventure. I do want to say thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I thought it was really good. But more importantly, did you enjoy it? Please let me know in the comments. Got attacked by a butterfly! Right, I'm ending the vlog now. What do you think?
Had a great day, mate.
Great day?
Brilliant. I'm glad I came.
It was good, wasn't it? Aaron?
Shukran.
So, they got to say anything? You got a YouTube channel, haven't you?
Yeah, smash time.
What have they got to do, mate?
Like and subscribe, 17p a day. And if you want to come with Mike on a trip and be a slave, just like Aaron, you
Head
can.
over to his Patreon and pay.
Yeah, just let you know, guys, these both are with me now on an adventure.
These two
but
bitches,
I'm with them. They were just like you. They were sat at home watching the greatest YouTuber on all of YouTube. And now look, we're on adventures
Now
together.
we're getting bit in Marrakech together.
And now we're getting shouted at by Scott every 10 minutes.
That's only because you're taking 10 minutes to climb a fucking step.
Nah, fair play.
This is why we need a big Craig to come with me so I can walk with him. Next time.
You and Craig would have smashed that.
Easy with it.
Leave me and Aaron behind.
We would have just chilled and bought a Coke.
Yeah, we would have got his Monzo in a cup.
We would have taxi donkeyed up.
No, but it's been amazing with this guy and this guy. They've both been absolutely
Got
incredible.
more to come. Atlas maintenance tomorrow.
Yep, as well.
It's only day 2.
Wow.
The cable car.
It's only day 2.
Yeah, it's only day 2.
Yeah, it is only day 2.
Day 2. So yeah, so with this amazing backdrop, I just want to say
day.
thank you so much for watching the vlog, and I will catch you all on the flip side. Wait 1 second. Can I kiss him? I'm joking. I'm joking, I wouldn't do that.